ready now?
I have. You remember Romeo?
When you're ready?
Oh, she's a spot that. Baby,
I'm in this spot right in front of the camera.
we get joke. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright.
Boom! Yeah, you don't know this entertainment at it again. Yeah, man, this entertainment TV. Yeah, the whole world tune in. Yeah, man, we're there with some beautiful ladies today. There with the pretty ladies, them pretty, look on them. One, Jiana, cute, braces up. I don't know, Olivia, yeah, man, and pretty Chrissy. The whole team there out and stunting. Yeah, man, so today we're doing our next challenge. What a challenge your name, ladies?
Never have I ever.
Introduce on the Instagram page and tell the people about a bit.
Hi, this is Jiana and my Instagram name is moji_. Follow me, guys.
Hi, I'm Olivia and my Instagram name is Catalina. Hi, my name is Chrissy. You can follow me at Chrissy Koinga, straight up.
Straight, you don't know Nizzle Entertainment. No, Nizzle_Entertainment TV on Instagram.
Follow.
Boom. Alright, what kick it off now?
Krisann first.
Krisann.
Alright, so first question on the board. Never have I ever sent nude to the wrong person.
Let's just not DM the person.
They never yet reached me.
I have never done that.
No, sir, never.
My turn?
So, if you do it, you have a drink?
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
So, never have I ever masturbated to someone in this circle. So, have you? I have never done that.
I have never.
I've never.
Never.
Never have I ever been shy in the bedroom.
Bedroom bully. Man, have to run and cry cream.
God, where am
You have never run, so you run funny already.
Never have I ever rolled up a skirt to make it shorter.
That but still, I'll be now waiting here. It's enticing to man.
Can I drink?
A drink.
Oh, wow. Drink no.
What's your question?
Never have I ever been dumped.
Krisann drink.
I won't get dumped, man.
Krisann never yet.
No, somebody never dumped me.
Never yet.
Never.
Never.
Me, they dump everybody.
Krisann, somebody never. Alright, you guys are watching. I don't.
No, the true, nobody never dumped me. Nobody never yet dumped me. I left everybody. Me left everybody.
Okay.
What? I'm not lying. They said me get trouble. I'm on to get trouble again though.
Alright, never have I ever had sex with someone 10 years older than me.
I'm not lying still.
Oh, the drinks are nice.
What? I really love old man, but you saw old man look good. So you never have sex with one big enough money? You need a sugar daddy.
Drink, don't drink. Did you just see me
Listen,
drink?
may I take people? You need a sugar daddy.
I have a sugar daddy.
So you younger than you?
Like drink.
Oh, you drink? Oh, my name is sorry.
Krisann, your turn.
So have you ever had sex with anyone older than you?
Like
No, like 10 years older than you.
No.
Alright, no. So now always be one of the peers from school years come straight up. Not no bad. Well,
I feel bad.
when me that came on, me did the one big enough for me, you know what I mean? Yeah, but at the time we did young and she did in her 30s, so it never really so bad, you know what I mean? So I have to drink to that.
Hey, Krisann, ask a question.
Krisann, I keep all the whole that question then. Watch it. Look on the one up at
Go on, Jiana, ask.
I'm looking for one.
Let me ask. Never have I ever tried to convince my partner to have a threesome. I have not.
Some of them not right for me.
Never drink to that. Never drunk before everybody, you know.
Fuck. Look at. Let's skip over the one.
No skip it.
No, we skipped out this one. Never have I ever
Come down before this
got
system, man.
caught by my
Because it's sweet.
parents trying to go out with somebody for whatever plans.
Got caught.
Repeat that.
Never have I ever got caught by my parents trying to go out with somebody.
What is sleep no bone,
I have not.
Never tell me true.
Me always say my
I
mother
have.
what me I do because I feel like it's better that way because
I have.
my mother have this relationship so no make no sense me lie to her because at the end of the day my conscience I go God and I have to tell her. So me tell her first if I know I know.
Story.
Yes.
God no, I like that. I
My
like
mother's
that.
a Christian. Amen. Praise the Lord.
So you have to tell her the truth.
Alright, my turn. Never have I ever caught my parents doing it.
I have
Oh,
never.
my parents are respectful. So
I
never
is
say-
there.
not really.
Yeah, I don't leave my
Me
mom.
never- but I don't
That's
see
their
my
separate
parents.
things.
Oh God.
I don't know.
My parents don't do that.
Well, I don't have no experience of father.
Great parents I have.
I don't have an experience of fathership. Like,
Yeah.
no daddy business. I do straight women, so man, I've never encountered with that thing yet. So I can't drink to that.
Never have I ever had a crush on a coworker.
At work, I know smile already. The side full. Nobody on the side.
Whoa!
Eh? Lord have mercy.
Never have I ever went to church because I was attracted to somebody.
Why am I doing it?
I have never.
I mean, I'm telling online I do it. I have to confess, I'm so sorry, Lord.
I have never done that.
Because the cat invite me to church and me never did want to go. But through me like her, me forward, you know what I mean? And that's not a good thing, you know what I mean? Make sure someone walk up in the house of the Lord and make sure someone go there for the right reason.
Confession is good for the soul, what you mean?
Never have I ever slept with someone within an hour of meeting them.
Good plan.
No.
You
It's not an hour.
don't look good for me. No, tell no lie. Me can't believe this. As
Me
much
drink
as
to
me
that
don't-
becoming thirsty.
No, you drink to it. No, but you drink it on camera.
It's not a drink now?
No.
It's not an hour?
No, but
How long was it?
but me do
It's
it
not
still.
an hour.
Me do
It's
it
not
still.
an hour, but me just drink.
It's not an hour.
It's not an hour. It was like
Like 24 hours. Yeah.
not an hour.
You know
Oh,
why?
okay.
You know why I say it's within an hour? Because I got invited to a surprising house party with a lot of females. When put it on me, I'm only man. And they start do their thing and it's not even an hour because them did already start already. And what you call it, about 6 some. The person who invite me, I must say she last me have sex with. So the person with, I don't know the person. Less than about 45 minutes or less.
Okay, I have a question.
But I'm gonna tell you now.
Never have I ever cheated on my partner with their best friend. I have
No way.
never.
No. Why you laugh at you?
Yeah, do that, Jiana. Try to make sure you in that cup.
You do it, yeah.
It
Oh,
wasn't
yeah.
my partner. It was not my partner. It was not my partner. It was my ex.
Drink it. Drink it.
So that no.
It worked.
It worked
I never
because
There's no.
me not style my cousin, me not style my brother, and me not style my friend. Me no want that front there. Yeah, never go do it without that front there. Yeah, man, not style it, man. I don't care if them want to do it, but me not do it still. Alright, ladies.
Never have I ever called someone the wrong name while doing it. I have. What? I have not. But it's already. But it wasn't like under like purpose. We do it for spite the person.
Who's money kill you?
Excuse me?
Send it to a guy.
Yeah, do the spite, but you don't know say a spite. If you drink, man, well, I don't know if me ever do it, but ladies, I don't know, comment below, I don't know, lighting in the pants still, but
We don't lie.
I don't remember if I've done it, so I'm not going to say it, you know what I mean?
Man supposed to make nice.
Yeah. Never have I dated someone who won. Oh, he's sexy. I have.
So what wrong with morning?
It's sexy.
So,
Like, it's
He
seriously?
never say more and talk. He just say, oh man, he say Olivia.
Oh, man, she said that. Like that boring. We are talking
The question is, have you ever called somebody's name, somebody around name
Nigga.
during sex?
Have you?
So you're saying man do?
No, yeah, men do because like the man we have sex
Right now,
with
me
you
feel
and
like me do it.
me and
Right now,
me
me
and
feel
sex.
like me do it.
Listen
Yeah.
up, me and
Nah,
you
nah.
have sex and you say, Krisann.
Mm.
Oh my God, Krisann, you know
I
understand?
will
He
keep
not
up on
really
the
around me.
What you mean?
Yeah, man.
Men do that. Men do that.
No,
to
man,
hot
he hot,
girls.
man. Me don't feel so me do it, you know, that's
That
what
never
I
happened to
said.
you?
No.
What should you do to somebody?
Ask the question again.
Never have I ever had sex with someone with tattoos.
No, man, the one before that. Can we not clarify that yet? The one you asked before this.
Which question you on?
Lord
Ask the
have mercy.
question again.
Never have I ever had sex with someone with tattoos.
Krisann, drink.
Yeah, man, we have
Krisann,
people who
drink.
have tattoo.
Krisann, drink.
Who
Don't let me call
has
her
tattoo?
name. Don't let me call
Someone
her
with
name.
tattoo?
Krisann,
Yeah.
drink. Okay. Okay.
I force you drink, yeah?
Me drink cause
Tattoo. Okay.
first.
Yeah, me, enough time. Yeah.
Like I mean, I do what I do.
Then look a butterfly and then look a something there.
Never have I ever fallen asleep during sex.
No man, but still, people, no cocky not reach her, that bad.
No drink.
No one to drink.
That bad man. Eh?
Listen.
That me see your finger every time, you know?
Never. Well, we never do that yet. So this is my question. Never have I ever had to show how to help a guy unhook a bra.
Which one now?
A bra, a brazier.
No, yeah, some ways before, you know, some
Like
answer
from
which
the
one.
back.
You have some you pull from the front way.
I never
got some
asked
pull
her,
from the
you know,
front.
you want to pull from the front.
Like you know, some guys just know.
Yeah, you know, used to it.
You know to pull bra.
Because me-
Probably
the band
the
in
girl
the-
always pull bra. Krisann.
In my days,
You never meet somebody like that.
in my days, no pull never there at the front.
Krisann innocent, so.
In my days, nothing was at the front, everything there at the back. So you have to learn to pull it from the back. So anybody don't know if to pull it from the back, they're new, brand new, fresh by the market.
Never have I ever kissed a stranger. Never have I ever used something from the household as a sex toy. I have never.
Some people use on sitting. Anything when you get from your dresser. Right now, if you say some woman had that woman, they will have you.
Let me have the bad question, baby.
How you call boy? I'm gonna say you pick me, you know, man. I dress me properly, man. Come on now. I dress me properly, man. Remember say you pick me, you know. You good, sir? Me there, man. You good?